Subscribe to my video. Today I will be drawing my ATV part 2. So I made some upgrades to, not upgrades, but some modifications. Part 2, I decided, so I painted some stuff more. And I added a basket to the back. So I can store my, so I can put and or so I can store and put my things in here. Yeah, my ATV driving videos will not be very long. Just me driving around my property, taking my land. Today is super windy outside. It's raining and it's going to rain again. So I'm going to record this video as fast as I can before the other rain hits. And then the other rain, because the rain until tomorrow. I'm not recording videos every day for a reason. Because I'm letting my videos get the subscribers and views. And the guy, at the end of this video, I have a very important Alright guys, that is it for today's video, and thank you guys so much for 400 views on my driving my ATV part 1. So yeah guys, I will see you guys in the next video, and consider subscribing for to see more ATV videos and more stuff. And I will see you guys in the next one. See ya.